What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the Wallet Monkey channel where we give you all the credit intel you need to build and establish relationships with the banks and grow your credit profile. Today we're going to talk about Sofi, the absolute insane offer stack platform that pretty much gives you anything and everything you could ever imagine. It is sold as a one-stop shop or one master place to control and manage all your finances, from cryptocurrency investments to credit cards, personal loans, student loans, insurance. They got credit score aspects. You can do checking, online checking accounts, home loans, auto loans, and refinancing. I mean, it is absolutely insane what they offer. So it's no wonder that they're getting a ton of press and a lot of people using them. They have over 2 million users. So this is what I keep talking about with these offer stacks, right? Like this is a fintech company that has an insane offer stack, and we're going to start to see more and more of this consolidation. So the personal loan, home loan, auto loan, credit score, credit card pieces are all going to get rolled up into these big conglomerates and these big companies. And Sofi, I don't know if they're going to get sold out because they have like everything, but I see them as being a big player with Robinhood. Robinhood's going to be another one. I think Cash App has room to kind of grow in that space as well, and probably a few others throughout Europe and other G7 countries. But I don't think we have enough time to cover every single product they offer. But I did want to note a couple things on the homepage, and then we're going to dive into the credit card, which I've got some data points to share. So first off, I wanted to point out that they are FD insured up to $1.5 million. This is huge because usually FDIC is only up to $250K. Now there's an asterisk, so let's go find the asterisk at the bottom here. Okay, so here it is. The cash balance in Sofi Money Cash App Management accounts swept to one or more program banks or teams eligible for insurance. Currently 6 banks available to accept these deposits, making customers eligible for up to $1.5 million. That's crazy. I like that. I like how that's like kind of rolled up into one piece. Okay, so they actually list out, oh no, I thought they listed out the actual custodians. So anyways, probably should read all this small fine print. That's where I usually like to start. I look at the page and I go all the way to the bottom and I see what bank is backing it, and I see aspects like that because we can get a ton of information just off of that. But let's dive into the credit card, which is what you came for. So they've got a 2% cashback MasterCard. So this is right up there with, similar to this, I'd probably say would be a Evergreen, FNBO Evergreen, because that's a 2% card. You know, you could throw Discover cards up there. Those are like 5%, but rolling 1.5 or 2% cards. We've got the Apple Card, which is 2%, 3% on all Apple purchases. So it's right up there with this. Here's the big difference with Sofi. If you've got any type of derogatory, any type of bankruptcy, late settlement, etc. on your report, they will decline you or deny you immediately. So that is the big dead stop right there for this card. I mean, it's so crazy that there's one first-hand account that stated the following. They've been using it for their primary checking account. In the last year, my average daily balance has been in excess of $5,000 with monthly direct deposits of $4,000, which I would consider a pretty strong relationship, right? They've got a bankruptcy on record, and they've basically been denied for all products, personal loans, anything, right? Any kind of loan or credit card information or credit card product they've been denied for. So that is huge right there. That's a huge data point. Also too, this just launched like 3 to 4 months ago. So there's a lot of stuff missing so far. Like what I heard so far is there's no reconsideration number, because when you call in, they don't have things organized just yet, and they're a little bit messy and sloppy, right? So that's to be expected. One recent user said that they called in and that they heard that credit limit increases will start at 6 months. Well, nobody's had the card for 6 months because it hasn't even been around that long. Okay, next thing you want to probably know is where are they pulling from? Well, they're going to tell you right at the bottom, which again, this is pretty rare. You usually got to dig. Okay, if you got a freeze in place, you should probably contact Experian to remove it. So they pull Experian. That's what that tells you. Let's look at another interesting piece of data here. When you apply, Sofi conducts a soft pull that will not affect your credit score. So that means if you're denied or declined, which I've actually got a screenshot and another piece of proof that this is true, that's only a soft pull. But if you are approved and accept, then you'll get a hard pull. So that's pretty interesting, right? So you can get a soft pull all the way through and see if it's almost like a pre-qualification, see if you get approved. I would say that in this case, even having a relationship, the reason why I bring up that, $5,000 monthly balance example is because having a relationship, which usually matters, and especially with a credit union, would matter more and give you positive sway. With this fintech, it does not. So where is your effort better put? In a credit union like Navy Fed, where we've seen time and time again that a great, strong relationship with the bank will directly impact positively your credit limit and your approval odds, or somewhere where it's just right now across the board. Maybe it's because this is a new product, but across the board, they're gonna deny you. So I don't know, that's the decision you gotta make for yourself. That's it for this product. I mean, newer product, they do offer a lot. I think there's a ton of value in having crypto investment options, banking options, online banking options, loan options, credit card options, all in one place. Because from a management standpoint, I mean, you know as well as I do, tracking down statement dates and payment dates can be difficult. So having all that in one place is a huge benefit. So you might want to, I guess my big point here is that if you've got baddies on your report, you're going to want to wait, let them get through this a little bit better, maybe roll out some changes. Stay tuned. We'll obviously update you guys as changes occur with the product and we get direct feedback. We'll change that and do updated videos rather. But I'd love to hear your experience with the Sofi credit card if you got approved down below, and some data points, which will help everyone else in the community make better decisions on if they should try pull the trigger and apply for this one. Hit the like button if you want this to get in front of more people. If you're brand new here, subscribe, hit the bell notification, turn it to all. We'll see you again real soon in another video.